Thank you, people. Watch this now. I got a special request. This is that Mosha from the Mosha Reggae Lounge, right? And I was playing some culture music, some Bob Marley music, and this gentleman and his wife come in, and they sat there for a little while because I was busy. And they said to me, "Is this the only music you play?" I said, "No, I play reggae." He said to me, "You have Lieutenant Stitchie." Mr. Lieutenant Stitchie. Oh, you know Lieutenant Stitchie? What's your name, brother?
Rude Boy.
Rude Boy. You hear that? His name, Rude Boy. Tell him about yourself, man. You go to Jamaica?
My name is Dale. I've been to Jamaica 7, 8 times.
Yeah.
Negril, Mobay.
And why you like Stitchie? Why?
You listen to it.
Really?
Yeah, I love Stitchie.
Holy smoke.
I love Terra Fabulous.
Oh, and who else? Tell me. Stitchie, Terra Fabulous,
almost all
Buju, all of the dancehall. Black Uhuru. So watch it now. I want you to know, say, in Jamaica, we don't prejudice. We share everything with everybody in the world. If you come to Jamaica with a bad attitude, you're going to get a problem. If you come to Jamaica like him, you're going to be a Jamaican honorary. Respect, and this is his wife. Connie. And how you like Stitchie too?
I love Stitchie.
Holy smoke, I can't believe this. I told them, right, I got to feature them. I'm making them some jerk people. So when the jerk comes, I'm going to film them. I'm going to continue the video when they're tasting it. So I'm not going to even give them a chance and let them eat and then tell me. I'm going to let you see it. All right, guys, so we're going to come back to your name again?
Dale.
Dale.
And Connie.
And Connie. They're honorary Jamaican people. Them love Lieutenant Stitchie.
One land, one people.
There you go. One land, one people. Out of many, one people. I would have asked him for dance, but me know I embarrass him right now. All right, people. I'm going to continue the video of these people that had the